Welcome to video 3 of lesson 6.3. This video is going to focus on dilations. And dilations are basically a stretch or a shrink of a figure, also called a reduction or an enlargement. Okay. The scale factor indicates how much the figure will stretch or shrink. So if your scale factor is greater than 1, it's greater than 1, it's going to enlarge because you are multiplying it by something bigger than 1. If your scale factor is less than 1, so like half, then you are going to shrink your figure. Okay, the variable that we use for scale factors is k. So when k is greater than 1, the dilation is a stretch or an enlargement. And when k is less than 1, the dilation will be a reduction. Okay, so let's try an example. So example 13 here. We have our original coordinates. So let's pause and take a moment and graph those, and it should form a triangle. Okay, now that we've graphed our original triangle, we are going to do our dilation. So we have a scale factor right here of 2, which means I'm going to enlarge by multiplying by 2. So I'm going to take all of these x values here and multiply by 2. So this one will be -8, -6, and 4. And I'm going to do the same with the y values. I'm going to multiply all the y values by 2. So that will give me a 2, an 8, and a -2. Okay, now I'm going to take a minute and graph these, and then we will come back and look at the enlargement. Okay, now let's check. Our image is twice the size as our pre-image was. And we do that by just multiplying the coordinates by our scale factor. Okay, let's try example, we're going to skip 14. Let's try example 15 right here. So this one has a scale factor of half, which means this is going to be a reduction by half. So I'm just going to focus on the coordinates here. So I'm just going to take all these coordinates and multiply by half. So half of -8 is -4, half of 2 is 1. Half of -2 is -1, half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3, half of 2 is 1, half of 0 is still 0, half of -4 is -2. And then when we graph these, if we graph our original rectangle and then our image, so our pre-image and our image, we will see that the image is half the size. So I'm going to pause the video now, and you guys try to make your graph, and then we will come back and look. And we're back, and you can see that our pre-image is this larger image, and then we have a reduction, so this image is half the size of our pre-image. Okay, now I would like to skip to the back, and we are going to try ones like number 19. And this one they have drawn in for us, and we are going to try to figure out, did it enlarge or did it reduce? So let's look. Our image, our pre-image, is the smaller one. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And And let's look at those coordinates. A is at 0, 4. B is at 2, 0. C is at -1, -3. And D is at -4, 0. And then it looks like we enlarged because our image is bigger. So that is A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. A prime is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B prime is at 4, 0. C prime is at -2, -6. And D prime is at -8, 0. And what I can see is from our pre-image to our image, we multiplied by 2. So that means my scale factor is 2, and that's an enlargement. And really, you could do that just by looking at one of the points instead of the whole thing. So that's what we're going to try for number 20 here. So our pre-image is EDF, or DEF, excuse me, DEF. And our image is D prime, E prime, F prime. Let's just look at D. So D is at 0, 2. And it goes to D prime, which is at 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6. And what that looks like is a multiply by 3. So our scale factor is 3. That is it for dilations and for our symmetry lessons for 6.3. Now go ahead and try the practice.